Double chocolate chip peppermint cookies, perfect for Christmas. Make your favorite double chocolate chip cookie recipe. I'm using Preppy Kitchens. Cream together butter, sugar, and brown sugar. Add eggs and vanilla, then add dry ingredients, flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt, and add a bunch of chocolate chips. Bake them for about 9 minutes at 375 Fahrenheit. While they cool, blend up candy canes and melt white chocolate candy melts. Once the cookies are cooled and firm, dip them halfway into the white chocolate and sprinkle peppermint bits on top. You can try doing this with white baking chocolate, but I've found that candy melts dry a lot faster. That's it! Try this out for Christmas!